This is the new Blodgett One Touch control. Here on the home screen, you'll see it's very similar to other Middleby products coming out soon. We have manual cooking in the top left here. This is where the user is going to be able to set their own parameters, such as set temp, humidity level. You can set a timer. With different types of timers, you can set a continuous time or use a la carte, which is more of a rack-based function, where you can set individual timers on each of these racks and start and stop them as you wish. We have fan speed selection here, vent position, steam on demand, and the fan reversal time here. Here we have our cook progress screen with the timer. You can take away or add a minute, as well as a little summary of the cook that's happening down here. If we go into recipe cooking, you see we have prepared recipes here. If you select one, it'll give you the recipe steps outlined. Select cook to start. And as you can see, the oven will automatically preheat or cool down to the start temperature designated in the recipe. You can edit recipes using the pencil icon in the top right. Open up the menu and select recipe details. This will let you add any steps you'd like, or edit ones that have already been entered. Next we have rack timing. Now this is similar to the a la carte function seen earlier in the manual mode, except we have our preset recipes here to choose from. You can create menus of similar recipes. See, they all share these characteristics up top here. Select cook to start. The oven will automatically preheat or cool down to the start temperature. And then the user can start adding these recipes to each rack as they'd like. As they complete, they will alarm. A done message will appear. And then when the user opens the door to remove the product will be cleared from this rack here and ready to add another. Recipes will also start with the door opening and closing as well. So when you insert product into the cavity, your timers will automatically start. Here you can create a menu of similar recipes. These are all cooked in the hydro mode at 325, so they can all be added to the same menu. We can select our new menu, see all the recipes that we just added, and cook that if we like. Next we have cleaning, where we can start our wash cycle here. If we go into settings, we can see all of our data plate information, as well as adjust some simple settings here, such as the time, temperature units, and volumes. We can also see a history of faults. And that is the new Blodgett One Touch control.